Have you ever said, I'll start over on Monday, or next week I'll get back on track? Well, I spent years stuck in that all or nothing cycle. I'd do really well for a few days, then I'd fall off for a meal or a workout or a movement, and then I'd throw the whole week away like it didn't count. If we haven't met, I'm Shari, Biery, a purpose and well-being coach. And if this is already saying, this is me, I have a resource for you below called the 5 Strategies for Making Yourself a Priority. In my book, It's Your Turn, I call this the spin cycle because that's exactly what it feels like. Spinning your wheels, constantly starting and stopping. And the truth is that everything changed when we said we aren't going to start over again. We just need to keep going. And this is a mindset shift that might sound simple, but it is so powerful because the problem isn't that we mess up. The problem is the story we keep telling ourselves when we do. What I've learned and what I live now is that consistency isn't about perfection. It's about compassion. It's about showing up again, not because you failed, but because you matter. Your health, your rest, your joy, they're not something you have to earn. They're available to you now, in this moment, even if yesterday didn't go as planned. In one of the chapters, chapter 5 of It's Your Turn, I talk about the moment I realized I wasn't failing. I was just exhausted from trying to be perfect. I wasn't broken, I was burnout, and I needed to stop starting over and start building a rhythm I could actually live with. So if you're tired of the all or nothing cycle, if you're craving a rest and a reset, I hope this helps you. And give yourself permission to stop starting over and just keep going.